Smith Regional Airport under cloudy skies. The wind will west at 7 miles an hour, gusting to 17. The barometric pressure was 30.25 inches and steady. And now the conditions for selected cities in Ohio, West Virginia, and Kentucky. At Chillicothe, in Athens, cloudy and 25. At Washington Courthouse, cloudy at 19. And in Hillsborough, cloudy and 23. Elsewhere across the region, at Cincinnati, cloudy and 24. In Wilmington, Ohio, mostly cloudy and 20. In Columbus, no flurries and 22. And at Huntington, mostly cloudy and 27. Once again at 10 p.m. at the Greater Portsmouth Regional Airport under cloudy skies. Here is a winter storm watch for the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Brown, Highland, Pike, Ross, and Scioto. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Sunday morning through Monday evening. Watch heavy snow with mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 9 inches. Night accumulations around 700 to 1/10 of an inch possible. Where portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and south central and southwest Ohio. When from Sunday morning through Monday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Here is a winter storm watch for the following counties in Kentucky. North and Mason. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Sunday morning to Monday evening. 1. Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 9 inches. Ice accumulations between 1/10 and 2/10 of an inch possible. Ware, Lewis, Brigham, Carroll, Gallatin, Gwinnett, Mason, Bullock, Pendleton, and Robertson counties. Wind from Sunday morning through 57. Across Kentucky and Lexington Fair, M26. And at Jackson Fair, M26.